गंगा जल को प्रदूषित
नहीं करेंगे। मलमंगे मैया
की जय।
Vlog #02 to Haridwar.
Haridwar means gateway to the Lord.
The drone view I can afford. Shivji is looking at you right from the railway station.
Have you seen any station like this? A station. It's kind of mandir. Yeah, Hari ka Dwar. Haridwar is Hari ka Dwar. That's very easy. It is the 4 places where the drops of the Amrit fell.
As you can see, guys, this is the Brahma Kund of Har Ki Pauri of Haridwar. It's also famous because when Garud was carrying the Amrit, some few drops fell everywhere on the earth, and one of the drops fell here in Brahma Kund. And I hope it's my luck to come here and show you all these places. I'm searching for Dharamshala here, but the
Dharamshala here in Haridwar near Har Ki Pauri. Anyone who is coming to Haridwar can stay here. The Dharamshala, as I know, is on the reasonable rates. The next year 2021 Kumbh Mela is here, and you can come here and explore this place by staying in Dharamshala. It's very near to Har Ki Pauri and to the Mansa Devi temple. Dharamshalas are the place where the trust make it happen, and they are very at reasonable prices, and they are mostly for the devotees. The Ganga Nadi leaving mountain first time reached the plains in Har Ki Pauri, Haridwar. One more thing, the footprint of Lord Vishnu are there in Haridwar. Guys, this is Brahma Kund. Behind it, the feet of Lord Vishnu fell, and this has many significances. And right behind it only, the famous lightning struck here. धर्मशाला और जो होटल है उसके बीच में अंतर क्या होता है? मैंने जब यहाँ हरिद्वार आया हूँ तभी मुझे पता चल रहा है कि
होटल होता है जो फर्स्ट क्वालिटी का होता है, धर्मशाला होता है थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल होता है।
मतलब लोगों की सेवा के लिए।
हाँ, लोगों की सेवा।
मतलब आप ओल्ड लोग हैं, बूढ़े लोग हैं, जो आना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए बहुत बढ़िया है।
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया। 24 घंटे का होता है। जैसे हमारे यहाँ एसी वाला भी है, कूलर वाला भी है, नॉन कूलर वाला भी है। नॉन कूलर वाला है 350, कूलर वाला है 400, और जैसे कि एसी वाला है 700। ये आदमी के हिसाब से होता है। जैसे 2 आदमी हो गए एक कमरे में, सिंपल वाले में, जैसे कि इसमें कूलर लगा है तो उसमें बस मात्र केवल 300 या 350 रुपये लगेंगे बस। और जो कूलर वाला है 400 रुपये, एसी वाला है 2 आदमी 700, 800। हाँ, बस 24 घंटे।
और यहाँ से हर कितना
बस 5 मिनट का। आप इसे हर की पेड़ ही लगता है पूरा।
A few days back, the lightning struck here. The construction work is going right now, and it was an ancient wall. As you can see, it's very ancient. And right behind it is only where the Har Ki Pauri means Hari ke pair means the Lord feet impression is here. What coincidence or what significance this place brings, I can't explain it. I got this room for like 500 in Har Ki Pauri, Haridwar. It's a decent room. As you can see, it's an AC here. I got a TV, though I don't watch TV and all. And
I'm very sleepy and I am going to bed.
it is a belief that in the Mahabharata shlok, if someone's bones or someone remains touches the Ganga here, it always remains in the heaven. They always remain in heaven. Story goes like this, that when Lord Bhagirathi, his ancestors Lord Sagar, was not getting salvation, he prayed Lord Brahma for his salvation. So what Brahma did, he splashes on galaxies, and the force of Ganga was so strong from the space that the earth will rotate, can't handle that force. That's what Shiva did. Shiva opened flock of his hair, and by opening the flock of his hair, kinetic energy of the river water Ganga slowed down, and it's always coming from the shoes of the Mahadev. Bholenath, Bhagirathi took it to the here on this specific place. By mere touching of Sagar's Lord Sagar, he got salvation. That's why this river is very precious, and you should be here.
4 o'clock here in Haridwar, and
Mansa Devi trek, and you will enjoy it for sure. There are 2 types. First of all, you can go one by tramp, and the second you can go by the step. And I will go by steps. Guys, this is Harki Pauri here, and from this place we can go to the Mansa Devi temple.
यहाँ से मनसा देवी का टिकट है 122 रुपये का झूले का टिकट है जो 122 ओके आने जाने का। Mansa Devi temple there. Guys, Mansa Devi is on the top of the Bilwa Parvat, Shivalik Hills on the Himalaya range. See the clouds behind me? they are very much beautiful. Mansa Devi is a wish of Lord Shiva. Mansa Devi is known for granting all the wishes by tying a knot of thread, a sacred thread, inside on a tree inside the mandir premises. And your wishes will come true. And if your wish comes true, please come here and untie it and show your devotion. Mansa Devi is waiting on the top of the Bilwa Parvat of the Shillong Hills on Himalayan range. And as you can see, I'm enjoying this place.
महिषासुर मर्दनी है मनसा माता। महिषासुर राक्षस को मार करके यहाँ विश्राम किया। देवताओं की इच्छा पूरी हुई और हमारी आपकी भी इच्छा पूरी है। दोनों सिंदूर वाली मूर्ति है मनसा देवी, और जो बगल में काला है वो महिषासुर राक्षस है।
This vlog is for whose parents wants to go to the Haridwar for the darshan, touch the holy water of Ganga. If your parents says that beta let's go Haridwar, PT let's go Haridwar, you should come here. Just do it for your parents. I haven't done it. I was behind money, I was behind my job, I was behind my career. I didn't thought that this will cost me for life. I'm making this vlog for a purpose. Not everyone should feel that Haridwar journey is like 24, 10,000, 20,000. It's not. Trust me. You see, hotels are like 500 for single person. Max to max 1,000 rupees for 2 person. Here in Haridwar, in Har Ki Pauri especially. And you know, earning money is not important. Trust me, guys. Parents and loving the one you love is very important. But someday or the other, your parents tell you that beta or bacha, let's go to Haridwar because I want to touch the Ganga. This is where the Ganga is coming and everything. Don't hesitate. It's like max to max. It will take you like 5,000 to Har Ki Pauri and to go back max to max. But they will thank you for the rest of their life. Do it for them.